Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of Domino, y'all. I just came here to drop some stuff off and I am gonna have to talk to these people at the office because they have me barricaded in here. Unfortunately, Domino is literally parked by the dumpster, so last time I came to check on it, I had to move her back because somebody had their couch literally pressed up against her. Well, the mirror on the outside now has been pushed down. They have furniture literally in my spot. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to the front because either they're gonna have to clear this trash out because I had to like step over mattresses. Let me show you. I had to step over those mattresses in order to get into Domino, y'all. Like, it's a mess. It is so hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the stuff in here that I need and then I'm gonna catch y'all later. Whew, friends. So it's a mess in here, but I grabbed my, gosh, I'm sweating hardcore. I grabbed my little AC, portable AC unit. It's like a swamp cooler, but you actually can plug it in. Oh, I'm sweating so bad. And I grabbed the gazebo. So my family is gonna come meet me at the campground tomorrow at the beach area. And so I just wanna make it as comfortable for them as possible. So I'm bringing out some of the old stuff from Domino, but I'm about to make my way to my grandma's so I can take me a shower because and I'm tired. So yeah, today is gonna be a long day, but it's gonna be rewarding. So let's continue on. Alrighty, let me introduce you all to today's sponsor, which is Hiboy. My channel is no stranger to Hiboy. A few months back, they hooked me up with their Titan Pro, which is the off-road model, but they just came out with this Max Pro, which is best for the long distance commuter. Yeah, girl. I know you're probably saying, Brittany, you don't need another e-scooter. And you're correct. When Hiboy reached out to me about their new Max Pro, I told them about my sister who recently graduated from high school. She will be leaving for college next month and can't take her car with her, so this Max Pro would be perfect for her. It was super easy to assemble. After removing it from its cocoon inside the box, I had to add a couple screws and it was basically good to go. I charged it for about 5 hours at my dad's and made my way back to the campground in the dark.
Wasted money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out.
also have a few dishes that I will be washing at my father's because I'm about to take a trip, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, let's go ahead and get there so Kristen can see her new mode of transportation. This Hiboy Max Pro is a high-performance electric scooter with 11-inch tires for a comfortable ride. With speeds up to 22 miles per hour, it makes your daily commute even easier, and it's enough for 46 miles on a single charge. It has integrated front and rear dual brake system, and with the front and rear shock absorbers, this Max Pro front and rear suspension system and 11-inch air-filled tires delivers a smooth and luxurious riding experience. And you can conquer any terrain with ease, even on rough and bumpy roads. So you know I got friends in high places, right? Like Hiboy. So they reached out because this new Max Pro just came in, and they wanted to gift it to me, but I don't have space for it. So I told them, I'm like, well, I have a sister who's going off to college and who can't take her car with her. And so they said that it would be perfect for you. Okay. So I'm gifting it to you, thanks to Hiboy. So this is yours, and this one is completely different from mine because mine is the Titan and it's the off-road version, but this one obviously is for like nice commutes and stuff. You don't need a key, you actually have to download the app, so you can go ahead and scan the little thingy on it, and then you'll be able to get set up. So it is in eco mode and she's able to change it. That is so neat. From the app. That is dope. All right. You ready for first ride? Yeah, I would say take it into the street for now.
You may need to record. You don't need to be on the sidewalk.
Oh yeah, you want to do the sidewalk or the street? Which one? You need more space or what?
Watch out for cars.
Put your shoes in sport mode.
Get ready to use that thumb.
Is it going? Go, Kristen!
You got brakes.
You ready to go faster than 11 miles per hour?
This is great. Nice and smooth.
And with 3 riding modes, the Sport mode, max speed 22 miles per hour, Drive mode, max speed 16 miles per hour, and the Eco for the energy saving mode, maxing at 11 miles per hour. And with the widened deck, it has an anti-slip design to ensure a secure grip, allowing you to ride with confidence. I want to thank you all for tuning in to find out where is Brittany. And I want to give a special thank you to my friends over at Hiboy for providing me this Max Pro to gift to my sister. If you all would like to check out Hiboy and this Max Pro, I will have the information linked in the video description below. Thank you all so much. Love you. Bye. Thank you. Oh, you're so welcome. Oh, love you. Yeah, you know, Team Kristen.